Hello guys, this is Sir Daniel, and I hope you guys are in good condition, and your family also, and your closest one also are in a good condition. And now we're going to talk about the chapter 14. It's the modes of trading internationally, guys. This chapter is all about export and import, and I made this video to help you to follow through this chapter. What you need to pay attention. Okay, this is how to follow this chapter, guys. First, everything that we are talking about is about export and import. I think you already have the basic expression, the basic knowledge about what export is, what import is, and next I need you to read the summary file. I made the summary file to make it easier for you to learn, so you don't have to use textbook as your primary reference. You just use the summary file first and use the textbook if you want to find more cases, more detailed information, or more comprehensive theory about export and import. And fifth, you need to do the assignment and please be active in the forum. Okay, so this is the structure of this chapter. So first we're going to talk about the introduction of this chapter is why company do international business, and what's the modes of international business, and exporting and importing is one of them. Exporting is, and in this subchapter we're going to talk about who are the exporters, the characteristic of exporters, and the matter of advantages, that is the advantage that companies see so they become an exporting company. Why export? There are three reasons, and you can see it on the video. It's very much self-explanatory. And export, the initiation of development. So there are two initiation that a company encounter, guys. So most of the time, the company first they founded as a domestic company, and they see some opportunities outside and they become an exporting company. So there are sequences and incremental grades that a company follow from a domestic company into an exporting company. And there are born global company are the companies such as Google, such as Facebook, and many internet companies that is, when they were founded, they were ready to serve worldwide customers. Okay, it is very contrast with the sequence increments kind of company, which was born as a domestic company and they became exporting company. Okay, so there are approaches to exporting, and which approach when you can see it later on in the summary. There are approaches to exporting, just indirect, direct, and so on. Now this is the structure of importing part of this chapter. So the introduction to importing, what importing is, and so on. Next, who are the importers? So the characteristic of importers. There are three characteristics, three types of importers. You can see it on the summary. So now you know there are three types of importers. Not all importers are all the same. Next, the reason why they do import, specialization of labor, local unavailability, and diversification. The last part of this chapter is the importing and exporting, the problems and pitfalls. Financial risk, customer management, government regulation, international business expertise, top management commitment, marketing challenge, trade documentation. So those are the problems that importers and exporters encounter when they do the export-import activity. So guys, if you see on your book, not all of the subchapters are covered in our discussion today. It's because I pick only several important things that you need to learn. So not all of it. But for the complete version, you can see it on the book. So if you have any question regarding to this chapter, just ask through our line group, and if it's urgent, you may email me or PM me via line. Okay, and happy study.